Corn seed harvest is started here at Local Seed. We normally start right around Labor Day, and it takes us 4 to 6 weeks to get everything done with good weather conditions. We pick everything on the ear using Uni-System pickers. Uni-Systems have been a standard since the 70s, and we're constantly updating and tweaking little things as we find ways to improve that process. Our operators are also some of our contract seed corn growers. They really take a lot of pride in how they operate that machine. Each machine's fine-tuned according to the operator preferences and actually what's going on with those field conditions. Something that you often see our pickers do is they kind of work in rotation just in order to really harvest the field efficiently. After the corn has been picked, it goes through the husking rolls on the uni into the wagon. The wagon's then brought back to the farm where gentleness is key. We're looking for producing a really quality seed. Every time something hits against something else, you have a chance for just a little fracture. That little fracture can introduce a lot of bad things into the seed. That small little point at the tip of the corn seed's where all the magic starts to happen. After it's moved out of the wagons, it goes down into a shaker pit. From there, it just beltivates the whole way up to a building we call the crow's nest. Once it goes up in the crow's nest, it goes through an additional set of husking rolls just to remove that last little bit off of it. Then it goes across to sorting tables where we have a couple people that are looking for off types. Some of the folks that we have at the sorting table have been doing this for years. They look forward to coming back every harvest and picking out the difference, really impacting that quality and that cleanliness that goes in the bag to you as a producer. After they've been across the sorting tables, it then goes up on top of the dryer. After we've established which dryer chamber it goes into, somebody's gently pushing it in the bins. Once we actually have a bin full, we open the doors on the top or the bottom and we rotate them every day. That just really pushes that bubble of moisture slowly and evenly out of the corn cobs and the corn seed. So we're running about 2 inches of pressure, so there's a real big force of air constantly going through that bin. We don't want to cook the corn, we just want it to dry out evenly, where we can really start to have a quality seed that'll store for a number of years. Once it's been sitting in the dryer for 4, 5, 6 days, we take it across one final sorting table. This is something that really sets Local Seed apart from a lot of our other competitors. Very few people in the industry have a sorting table after the dryer. That really elevates the quality of what we have in our bag to be the best in the industry. After that final sorting table, it gets dropped into the sheller where we do separate the corn from the cob. From that corn being then shelled off, it goes into grain bins. Harvest is the culmination of all the additional steps that we've taken throughout the growing season to really ensure that the seed we're making has that quality that you, the producer, can really be proud of whenever you accept delivery of that bag.